Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today I wanted to go over a scam that I came across, and it has to do with Italian residency and citizenship, and it is the quote-unquote fast-track residency or fast-track citizenship scam. And basically it promises a shortcut through the paperwork and everything else. It ends up being fake documents, fake marriages, bogus partnerships with officials and things like that. They often charge between 3,000 to 10,000 euros per person, and it's not an official program, it's a scam. And it's been rampant since at least 2021, but it's really ramped up recently with the renewed interest in people wanting to become expats in Italy. And here's how it works. There are targeted ads on Facebook, WhatsApp, Booking.com, and they promise fast-track residency for 3,000 to 10,000 euros. So an example is the 90-day Italian visa permit. That's one of the ways they advertise it. It claims of insider government contracts, no need for proof of income or housing. Those are red flags right there. So what you get is you have a fake consulting call with one of these people, and you're pressured to pay a deposit with really unrealistic timelines. Like you can get your visa in 90 days. No, you cannot. It usually takes at least 180 days and sometimes much longer. So what they provide is fake proof of citizenship documents or qualification documents to submit to the Questura, fake rental contracts, employment letters, or proof of residency letters. And the kicker is they guarantee acceptance. Now, no one can ever guarantee acceptance, and we've seen enough of the consular agents who have the authority to accept or deny at will. There's so much inconsistency from consulate to consulate. There's no way anybody can guarantee you acceptance. They also provide, proof of employment through these agricultural front groups, proof of fake marriages. They push for cash and wire transfers and confidentiality to avoid paying taxes or getting real permits. Now, once they get paid, they take off, which is true with most scammers that you see. So in order to do it legally, you have to do either the elective residence visa, some people call it the retirement visa, it's the same thing. You can do an investor visa, which is a golden visa, but frankly, I don't know why you would do that when you can, if you have that kind of money, you can probably do the elective residence visa without too much trouble. And then citizenship. So some of the ways you can protect yourself. Number one, never use an agent to do that. You either use an attorney or you use the websites that they've set up for that purpose in Italy. Also, another red flag is upfront fees, like 200 euros, confidential documents, timelines that make no sense, pay cash and that kind of stuff. That's all very red flaggy to me. Now, if you're scammed, refunds are rare. Arrests may be possible, but most of these are coming out of South Africa. So what are you going to do? They're not going to go to South Africa and arrest somebody there. So there are paid firms that you can have take you through the process. And of course, we love Studio Legale Meta. We've used them for Pete's residency, and we're changing our residency up into Siena. And we've used them for all our business purposes and everything else. And a lot of our guys have used them for residency and citizenship, and they've done a great job. So there you go, guys. I want you to be on the heads up on this. I don't want you to get scammed on any of these things, and I don't want you to get in legal trouble. So I hope that helps. Now, another little note, I'll probably do a separate short on this. I checked with Nick Meta on the driver's license thing. A lot of people were on the comments of the other videos saying, hey, you can get a driver's license in France and you can use it in Italy. And that is true. Nick Meta verified that is true. Anywhere in the EU, you can get an EU driver's license and drive in Italy, and it's totally fine. So people were going, oh, let's go to France and do that. And we looked into Latvia because Pete, you can take it in English in Latvia, but you have to be a resident. So watch out for that. If there's a place where you can get a driver's license without being a resident, let me know, and we'll let everybody else know. But for now, I'm going to let you dig down deep on your own. Use my buddy Grok AI for that. You can get a lot of good answers there. So there you go, guys. Hope you're all doing well. See you soon.